case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1978, an intriguing legal battle unfolded in the Montana Supreme Court, known as Transcontinental Refrigeration Company v. Figgins. At the heart of the dispute was a question central to consumer rights. When a product fails to deliver on its intended purpose, should the buyer have to wait indefinitely for a fix? Everett Figgins, owner of his meat market, found himself embroiled in this dilemma when he bought display cases from the Transcontinental Refrigeration Company for his shop. It turned out these cases could hardly pass as acceptable, failing to preserve fresh meat as they were designed to do. Despite Figgins's complaints, Transcontinental never responded with an inspection or repair attempt. Left with no alternative, Figgins replaced the ineffective cases himself, subsequently launching a counterclaim against Transcontinental. The court was presented with a contractual agreement that essentially involved the sale of goods. Given that context, it subjected the agreement to the parameters of the Montana Uniform Commercial Code and subsequently nullified it. Transcontinental, at pains to defend its position, asserted that Figgins forfeited his right to end the contract by not allowing them a chance to rectify the faulty delivery. However, this contention was brushed aside since it was absent from the initial arguments. The verdict went in favor of Figgins. The court affirmed the lower court's decision that the agreement indeed constituted a sale of goods under the Montana Uniform Commercial Code. Crucially, it found the waiver of warranty in the agreement significantly subtle, contrary to the conspicuous requirement of the code. Given this, together with the expert witness whose qualifications were questioned by Transcontinental, the lower court's decision was upheld, entailing a contract rescission and damages awarded to Figgins. Even as the industry giant appealed, the ruling stood firm, validating a crucial tenet of consumer rights.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.